Hey, welcome back to Choose Your Own Path. Whoa, change of day. It looks like crap out there. Looks like it's gonna rain. It's not sunny. Anyway, today we're gonna make something different. So we are making dragon mounts. So for those who play the Dungeons Dragons and all that stuff, I haven't seen these before, but I know a guy who said he makes them. And he just told me that after I made this one. Basically, let me put you down here. Basically, what we're going to do is we print out the 3D print of the dragon bust, and then we're just going to make the mounts. So basically, they'll just go on the wall, and it looks like somebody killed the dragon. So I use the 3 Ps in this one. I print them, I prime them, you paint them. So if you're interested in something like this, PM me, or sorry, that would be for Facebook. You can email me at richard.vorio@gmail.com, and I'll tell you how much I charge for them. They're basic. We'll just go from there. Any kind of mounts. So we have 3 dragons. 2 of them are already made. This guy here, and then this one's kind of funky, but it's still a dragon. It's like a sheep, but it is a dragon. So what we want to do is we get ourselves a piece. This is that clipboard stuff because it's nice and solid. All right, and then we draw out our patterns of what we want. We're gonna go to the bandsaw, and we're just gonna cut them out, and then we're gonna shape them, prime them, and then we'll figure out. This one was different. So this one had an angle already cut to it. So, or the way it was printed up this way, you know, so it's fine. This one and the smaller one is different. So if you think of it, they would be printed, they would be like that, kind of odd. You almost want to see the, take a bigger one. You would almost want to see it. So we will have to shave this at an angle so that it can sit, so it looks like that kind of thing. All right, so let me get set up and we'll be back. All right, we got all 3. All right, now we're gonna shape them out. So we're just using our cut saw bit. To go. So a little bit of sanding, and then we'll prime them, and we'll stick them to there, and we'll show you what we're doing. So yeah, let's get at that. Back to the house. All right, so once you got it all primed up, all your pieces, what I did was I took some toothpicks. All right, took some sharp toothpicks. Well, I just had to sharpen some myself. Get some hot glue, and we're just gonna add, oops, I'm not showing you nothing there. Add these guys like that. That will make it look even more epic. All right, I'll put one more at the top. Oops. So using hot glue, little pieces of toothpick. And there you go. So prime these guys up. All right, so let them sit there and dry for a bit. So the next one, it's all primed up. All we're gonna do is take our dragon head. We're gonna add our hot glue to it all around the base, like so. Gotta work a little fast with this stuff because hot glue sets pretty easy. We're going to center them, push down, and it's ready to go. We'll do the third one. Oops. There's my glue in there. You put a good amount of hot glue on it. You want it to stay. Now you could use any kind of like 2-part epoxy or anything you really want. It doesn't matter. It's what you think. But just like anything else, epoxy takes, well, if you're using the 2-part epoxy, which I have, this one's a dollar store product. It has 2 parts that come out. This has 2 parts. You mix it out really well, all right, and then for about 2 minutes, and then you add it to your project. The thing about that is it dries quick, very quick. So you have to be very, very fast. With hot glue, you do have time to move it around. So there you go. We have 3 dragons plus this epic one, which I'm gonna just prime the tips because they're on there pretty solid. You know, that's what you want to make sure is they're on there so they don't fall off, kind of thing. And then one of the things I'm guessing is if you want this to be mounted onto your wall, you know what? If you're doing a build, you just use some hot glue, glue it, stick it where you want. It's going to stay there forever. You could add 2, and I mean, that's going to be hard to do, but, well, maybe not. Maybe a little wire in the back, hot glue on it, put a little nail on your wall, hang it. It's up to you. I don't know. It's what you want. So, these guys are available. I will make them and sell them. They're ready to go. If anybody has any dragons they want, special ones, if they could find the file and send it to me, we could work out that. Like I said, PM me on Facebook or message me, or not message me, email me, and then we'll contact each other that way, and we'll figure it out. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Tip jar at the bottom if anybody wants to help out for these builds. It always helps to buy the PLE and keep the machine running. If I could do it, you could do it. Choose your own path, guys. Thanks for watching.